know I'm not the only one who loves lunchtime. So today I'm gonna be sharing 3 delicious, healthy lunch recipes with you. I'm Veggierose. Let's get straight into it. So first recipe we're making is the loaded sweet potato. Start off by adding a little bit of olive oil into a hot pan and toss in some onions and red and green bell pepper. You can use any color you prefer. I'm also adding in some black beans and some frozen corn. And I'm just gonna toss this all around and heat this through. You want your onions to be a bit translucent and soft. Also add in some garlic powder, onion powder, some paprika, and a little bit of oregano, some salt to taste, and again, mix it all up. Chopped cherry tomatoes will also go into the mix, and some green onions. Mix that up, and we're gonna place this to the side. Next, I'm just making a small batch guacamole, and this is very simple. I'm just mashing up half of an avocado, a little bit of lime, a little bit of salt, and that's it. Here I have some baked potatoes, which I have baked whole at 400 degrees for 60 minutes, an hour. Actually, I did it in my air fryer, so it only took me half an hour, but I also pricked a bunch of little holes with my fork. And next, we're just sliced them in half, and I am kind of like coring the inside a little bit to make a little bit of room for our filling. On top, we're gonna add our guacamole and a little bit of green onion and cilantro for our finishing touch. Next is my personal favorite. It is the sushi sandwich. Start off with a nori sheet and some cooked sushi rice or short grain rice. Add in some sweet potato, some baked tofu. I've just sliced up my tofu into a square and then sliced it into thinner pieces, and then I baked it at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Add in some avocado, and you can add anything you want into your sandwich, anything you prefer. And also some lettuce goes in, just anything you want to have it jam-packed and filling. Wet the little pieces of the nori sheets, close it up like in a little diamond shape, and it'll stay together nicely. Once you wrap it up in some cling wrap or plastic wrap, seal this up for about 10 minutes or so. It becomes a little more solid. And then you take it off, and then you slice it, and you have a delicious sushi sandwich. And look how beautiful that looks. And of course, you're gonna have some sauce, and you can use just regular soy sauce or tamari, but I'm using some tamari, some agave, a little bit of sesame oil, some green onion, and crushed red pepper. Mix it up and drizzle it onto or dip. Next is our patty salad. I had no idea what to really call this, so if you guys have any ideas, let me know. I have some all-purpose flour, some more frozen corn goes in, and some chopped broccoli. This broccoli has been chopped very fine. Also, we're adding in some chopped onion and mix it all together really well. In goes 1/4 of a cup of non-dairy milk, some garlic powder, onion powder, turmeric for a nice little color, paprika, and salt to taste. Mix this all up, and then you can form it into little patties, a little bit of olive oil into your pan. Put it onto your pan on a low to medium heat, cover it up for about 5 minutes per side, and then you're left with these beautiful little golden crispy patties. And of course, you can put these in the oven, you can bake these, and these also serve as little burgers if you wanted to use them as a burger. And I am drizzling this salad with a tahini dressing, which is my absolute favorite. And in order to make this is really simple. You need a little bit of water, a little bit of tahini, a little bit of lime juice, some tamari or soy sauce, a little garlic powder. Mix this around and you have yourself a delicious dressing. Garnish it with a little bit of cilantro and voila! Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to continue to watch some delicious food, don't forget to check out one of these 2 videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I will talk to you guys soon. I love you all. Bye!